Hello, it's that time of the month again. So the colder weather is happening. I am in my long sleeves and I am very excited because I think this year a lot of the fall trends that are coming up are very thriftable. I think if I find the right things, I am able to also DIY a couple of fall trends. So today I'm taking you guys thrifting with me and then we'll come back and do a quick haul. And if you guys like these videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications. And also you can see how I style them on Instagram at LetitiaQ. So let's go. So lately there have been a lot of like cropped shorts trends, like the Bermuda shorts. There's the really tight bike shorts that everybody's been wearing, which I don't know if I can pull off, but I know exactly where I can find them in the thrift store. And also the cropped denim Bermuda shorts are very in right now. So I'm gonna be in the capri section and picking out capris, and I could just chop them off and then fray them and they'll be right on trend. And if you can't find them in the capri section, you can also just go into the jeans section. They probably have some fitted jeans there too. Another good thing about fall is that they put out all the fall jackets. Finally there's enough denim jackets to choose from. Ooh. What? Okay, as usual, I got a cartload of stuff. Now it's time to try it on. My shoes are perfect. This doesn't fit quite well. Oh my god, this baby. So I think but this was like all over Instagram not too long ago. Well worth it for somebody who wants to pick this up. And these are men's pants. I'm looking for a wider leg. These ones are still a little tapered at the end. The fit of these ones are way better because it goes a little higher and they're much wider leg. Oh my god, this is so comfy. It's Forever 21 actually. It's like super silky. Oh, I don't like this slit. I've been looking for a big oversized men's shirt, but is this a little too big? I think I like it like this. And look how big, like you don't really see men's cuffs this big anymore. So this shirt is woven in Italy. It's a really nice cotton shirt. These are the bike shorts that I was talking about. I don't know if I can wear this in public. I do need more yoga stuff, so I might as well grab this. I don't know if I love this. There's always those ones that you think that they look good and that they don't. These jeans are really nice. They're super soft. They're nice pockets. This one I'm gonna cut into the Bermuda shorts that everybody has now because the fit at the bottom is like kind of flared, but not flared enough to be like a nice flare. And then just to show you guys that you can find amazing things, look at how nice and high-rise this one is. It's actually a Zara. What do you think? Good? If I wore it like this? No. Priorities. So the things that I ended up getting, I actually ended up getting quite a lot for my money's worth. I picked up this little mini purse. I know that it's like a big thing, especially in New York and stuff, like little tiny woven purses. And like I really like it with the outfit that I'm wearing now, which is part of the reason why it convinced me to get it. I think if I was wearing something like a jean jacket or something to balance out how womanly 90s vibes this is, then I could definitely rock this. And then immediately when I got home, I hacked into the pair of jeans. That one was a quick DIY. I also cut the boys' jeans that I really liked. They fit quite wide leg. It could be even wider, ideally, but they're really great for a pair. I think they were like $6. I picked up a lot of men's stuff, I guess. I also got this t-shirt, kind of hipstery. I did get the bike shorts. I think more for yoga purposes than anything else. I did pick up the jumpsuit that I was debating between. It has pockets at the back, which kind of convinced me. I still don't like that weird sleeve slit detail. I think I'm going to stitch this up actually. I can either stitch it right at the corner here and make it like a little slit. Or I could stitch it all the way down so that it's one sleeve, which is a pretty easy fix if I'm not being lazy. The giant men's shirt, which in turn, like when you roll up the sleeves, it actually ends up being like a wide sleeved blouse for me. It could be it's actually more of a shirt dress for me. At the end of the day, if it really doesn't work, I feel like with the material and the shape that I have going for me already, I could probably make a DIY out of this. Like another thrift transformation, which I have a lot of things that I've thrifted that I'm like, ooh, this would make a good thrift transformation. And now they're just sitting in my closet and I should do more of those. But yes, that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed thrifting with me. If you guys want to see how I style these pieces, head on over to my Instagram where I post daily outfit of the days at LetitiaQ. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!